confirming a reservation and amenities.
Good morning, hotel front desk. Olivia speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, Olivia. I am calling to talk about a room reservation for next month.
Are you booking a new room or do you have a reservation already?
I booked it online last night. My name is Adam White.
Let me pull that up on my computer. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
I see it here. You booked a room for 3 nights in July.
Yes, that is for my parents. They are visiting San Diego.
That is wonderful. San Diego is beautiful in July.
I have a few questions about the hotel amenities.
I am happy to answer them. What do you want to know?
First, do you have a swimming pool?
Yes, we have a large outdoor pool. The water is very warm.
That is great. Do you provide pool towels?
Yes, we have plenty of free towels right next to the pool.
My parents will love that. Now, I have a small problem.
What is the matter?
I forgot to add a car parking space to the online reservation.
Let me look at the parking list for those summer dates.
I hope you have a spot for them.
I am very sorry, but our hotel garage is completely full in July.
Oh no. Where will my parents park their rental car?
Do not worry, we work with a public garage right across the street.
Is it safe to park there at night?
Yes, it is very safe. They have security cameras everywhere.
That gives me peace of mind. How much does it cost?
It is $20 a day. I can reserve a spot and email the parking pass to you right now.
Yes, please do that. That is a huge load off my mind.
It is always smart to plan ahead for a big trip. I just sent the email. You should receive it shortly.
Thank you for fixing this for me, Olivia. You are very kind.
It was my pleasure, Adam. We look forward to seeing your parents next month. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Checking in at the airport.
Good morning. I am here to check in for my flight.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
I am flying to Miami, Florida.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you, Kevin. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one large suitcase to check.
Please place your suitcase on the scale right here.
Okay, it is on the scale. Is everything okay?
We have a small problem with the weight.
Oh no, what is wrong?
Your bag is too heavy. The limit is 50 pounds.
How much does it weigh right now?
It weighs 55 pounds.
Do I have to pay an extra fee?
Yes, the fee is $50, but you have another choice.
What is my other choice?
You can take something out and put it in your carry-on bag.
That is a great idea. Let me open my suitcase quickly.
Take your time. You still have plenty of time before your flight.
I will take out these 2 heavy books. I can read them on the plane.
Perfect. Let's weigh the bag one more time.
Fingers crossed. Is it under 50 pounds now?
Yes, it is 48 pounds. You are good to go.
That is a big relief. Thank you for waiting for me.
It is my pleasure. Here is your passport and your boarding pass.
Thank you. What gate do I need to go to?
Your flight leaves from gate B4 at 10 o'clock.
Gate B4. How do I find it?
Go straight down this hall to the security check. Gate B4 is right after that.
Do I take my shoes off at the security line?
Yes, take off your shoes and take your laptop out of your bag.
I understand. I will do that.
It is very easy. Have a wonderful trip to Miami.
Thank you for all your help today. Have a good day.
Going through airport security.
Good morning, officer.
Good morning. Please show me your boarding pass and your ID.
Here is my driver's license and my paper ticket.
Thank you. Please take off your shoes and your jacket.
Okay. Should I take my laptop out of my backpack?
Yes, large electronics must go in the gray box.
I have my cell phone in my pocket. Is that okay?
No. Please empty all your pockets. You cannot have any metal.
I understand. I will put my phone and my wallet in the box too.
Great. Now please step into the round scanner and hold your hands up.
Okay, I am ready.
Please wait for the green light.
Oh no, the machine made a loud noise. Did I do something wrong?
There is a small problem. The machine found metal on your leg.
Oh, I know what it is. I have my house keys in my small pocket.
Please step back out of the scanner and put them in the box.
I am so sorry. I completely forgot about them.
It is no big deal. Just step into the scanner one more time.
Okay, my hands are up again.
Perfect. The light is green. You can step out now.
Thank you. Wait, my backpack is not coming out on the belt.
I stopped your backpack. I need to open it and look inside.
Oh, okay. Did I leave something bad in there?
Do you have a bottle of water or any juice in the bag?
Yes, I brought a large bottle of water for the long airplane ride.
I am sorry, but you cannot bring large liquids through security.
Really? I did not know about that.
Yes, the rule is crystal clear. No liquids over 3 ounces.
What should we do with my water bottle?
I have to throw the bottle away in the trash can.
That is fine. Rules are rules.
Thank you for understanding. You can zip up your bag now.
Can I buy more water inside the airport near my gate?
Yes, there are many stores next to the boarding gates.
That is a relief. Thank you for your help, officer.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Handling a flight delay at the airport.
Hello. Are you the gate agent for Flight 101?
Yes, I am. How can I help you today?
The television screen says my flight is delayed. Is that true?
I am very sorry, but yes, your flight is delayed by 3 hours.
Oh no, that is a big problem.
I know it is frustrating. We have some bad weather in Texas.
I have an important work meeting there this afternoon.
I understand completely. Let me look at my computer.
Can I get on a different flight?
I am checking the daily flight schedule right now.
Please take your time. I am just a little stressed.
Hang in there. We will figure this out together.
Thank you. I really need to arrive before 4 o'clock.
Good news. There is another flight to Texas leaving in 1 hour.
That is perfect. Can I get a seat on that plane?
Let me check the open seats. Give me 1 second.
I will cross my fingers.
You are in luck. There is 1 seat left by the window.
That is a huge relief.
I am moving your ticket to the new flight right now.
Do I need to pay extra money to change my flight?
No, the flight change is completely free because of the weather delay.
That is very fair. What about my checked suitcase?
We will move your suitcase to the new airplane automatically.
Are you sure? I do not want it to get lost.
Yes, I am sending a message to the baggage team right now.
You are very helpful. What gate is the new flight at?
It leaves from gate C5. It's a short walk from here.
Gate C5. I will go there right away.
Wait, here is your new boarding pass and a small paper voucher.
A voucher? What is this for?
It is $10 for a coffee or a snack to say sorry for the stress.
That is very kind of you. I will buy a coffee on my way to the gate.
Have a safe and smooth flight to Texas. Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks again for saving the day. Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.
In-flight comfort and landing cards.
Excuse me, miss. Can I ask you a quick question?
Hello, sir. Of course. How can I help you today?
It is very cold by the window. Do you have any extra blankets?
Yes, we do. The cabin air can be quite chilly.
I am freezing. A warm blanket would be wonderful.
I will bring one right away. Would you like a hot drink, too?
That sounds perfect. Do you have hot tea?
We have green tea and black tea. Which one do you prefer?
I will take black tea with a little sugar, please.
I will be right back with your blanket and your hot tea.
Take your time.
Here is a thick blanket for you.
Thank you. This feels much better already.
And here is your black tea. Please be careful. It is very hot.
How much do I owe you for the tea?
Oh, do not worry about it. It's on the house.
That is very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, I have a small question for you.
A question? What is it?
I see you did not fill out your blue landing card yet.
Oh, the customs paper. Yes, I'm a little confused by it.
It takes a minute to get the hang of it. Do you need some help?
Yes, please. I do not understand line number 4.
Line 4 asks for your flight number.
Where can I find my flight number?
It is printed right there on the top of your boarding pass.
Oh, I see it now. It says Flight 720.
Exactly. You just write 720 in those small boxes.
That's easy, but I have another small problem.
What else do you need help with?
I do not have a pen. I left mine in my large suitcase.
I can fix that. Here, you can borrow my blue pen.
Thank you so much. I really owe you one.
It is no problem. Just please return it when you are finished.
I will give it back in 5 minutes.
Perfect. We'll be landing in New York very soon.
I can't wait. Thanks again for the tea and the pen.
My pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
Thanks for watching today's lesson. We hope this animated scenario helped you improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Speak English View for more practical English lessons. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Have a great day and keep practicing.